Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at the SiiPet cat camera and litter box monitor, a tiny cat-shaped smart camera that keeps tabs on your furry friend's bathroom habits. It's cute, compact, and smart enough to tell which cat is which, all through the app. We're going to unbox it, go through the setup, and see how it handles my rotating self-cleaning litter box, which should be interesting. Now in the box you'll find the SiiPet camera itself, which honestly looks adorable. It's shaped like a little cat head with pointy ears, plus a USB-C charging cable, a mounting plate, and a quick start guide. Now the build feels nice and solid for such a small device, and it's light enough to mount almost anywhere near your litter box. This little guy uses smart AI recognition to monitor when your cat enters and exits the litter box. It can even identify multiple cats and log each visit separately, so if you've got more than one furball at home, you'll finally know who's responsible for what. It's also got a surprisingly wide-angle lens that captures a lot of space, perfect if your litter box setup is tight or enclosed. Now setup is super simple. There's a USB-C port on the bottom. Just charge it up first, no need to keep it plugged in, and then scan the QR code in the manual to download the app. Once you open it, pair the camera, give it your Wi-Fi info, and you're basically ready to go. The app interface is clean and gives you real-time notifications and history logs for each use. So for my setup, I'm testing this inside my furry tail self-cleaning litter box, which has a rotating drum. I placed the SiiPet camera toward the back just to see how it would handle the motion and limited space. And honestly, I'm impressed. Even with the narrow interior, the wide-angle lens captures almost the entire area without distortion. It's recording vertically too, which is great if you ever want to review clips right from your phone. So far, detection has been quick and reliable. The notifications pop up almost instantly, and it's smart enough not to get confused by the drum's movement. The camera quality is clean and bright, and the vertical orientation makes it perfect for tight spaces where you don't have much depth to work with. So whether you've got a standard box or something more high-tech like mine, it's small enough to fit anywhere without getting in the way. Overall, the SiiPet is a fun, practical little upgrade if you want to keep a closer eye on your cat's litter habits, or just some peace of mind that everything's running smoothly. So we'll see how it does long-term, but so far I'm impressed with the design, the wide-angle coverage, and just how plug-and-play it is. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll drop a link down in the description below, and I'll see you in another video.